to identify the agent, mean identify the bank. Okay, for identifying the for bank we have four, like we have only big, right? In MT1 series it's only big, or MT message series only big you can identify the bank. But here there are so many different system also going to identify a bank. Okay, like we are if you remember, we have 52 and 53, 54 and 57, right? So what is format of 52? If you remember, 52, 52 as
Ordering
having
just.
ordering 52, 52,
Ordering instruction.
ordering institution 52. It contain how many flavors, if you try to recollect?
That is AD and exactly I.
AD only, I think. Yeah, AD only. Okay, so A contain your party identifier or big, and D contain party
With the
identifier
address.
address, right? So same concept is now divided here, or can shown here with the help of different naming convention. We don't have alphabetical like this. Anyways, we have around 100-page document to learn this only, how it is like this. Okay, but I'm just telling you how it should be. The bank is now represented by big clearing member system ID, LEI, name and
What is
address.
LEI?
Everything will going to cover. Okay, it is legal identifier. Okay, legal identifier is a new concept, is going to be launched here in this application. Okay, so whatever discussing with today, right, we are just discussing a dashboard. We haven't started discussing any message yet or anything yet. So only in the dashboard they're saying that this kind of information you can find. So LEI also around 20 15 to 20 page information for LEI. We are going to discuss this LEI or how it is look like. Now you have asked me, I will quickly show you also. Okay, it's a legal entity identifier. It is run by some ISO rules, and this is the format of this one. And this is like your IBAN, which is in the format of bank. Bank has given a unique identity, like IBAN is there. Okay, like BIC is there, but more granular way, any bank can breach has been given a law, a new identity of the bank, that is called LEI, and we will discuss that time. Okay, LEI. So you can put LEI also, only LEI. ISO 200
So
message.
IBAN is no more applicable
IBAN
in
is
ISO
a
20.
no. IBAN is a different concept. IBAN is given to the user, right? We are discussing bank agent.
Okay, okay.
IBAN is for user, means person. So
Person, right? Yeah.
ISO 20 message have number of element associated with the agent which allow for this agent to be referenced by variety of financial institution identification. More commonly, okay, every thing which we are discussing here, there is some ISO behind it, means standard behind it. How should be written is. So for example, 9362 is the ISO which is used to identify the BIC. Okay, this is the BIC. By this ISO 9362, each and every BIC is defined and given to the Swift network. For example, like we have discussed, right, SBIN 000 and some branch number. That branch should have been registered with this ISO. Is covered the best practices de facto standard as many to many correspond to banking payment. However, other options include clearing system members identify where accompanied with the clearing system IDs, LEI, name and address, either postal structure. Okay, so for timing, you have to just understand that financial institution is getting identified by not only big, but this so many things also will be identified this one. Okay, when we are doing this, checking any agent information, right? To identifying a agent, and how to identify the agent now in the picture diagram, you have to by this bank symbol here on left hand side symbol is there, right? Bank. This symbol can be identify a bank here. Okay, date and time also, date and time also some fixed format, and which has to be denoted by date time, which has to be like this format of date, and this is how actually look like. Okay, and how to read it? Noon, midday. Okay, like this. Center daylight saving. It means it contain daylight saving also if it is mentioned, or normally we have to consider only this only, mmdd and hours, and after that time indicator on this one. Okay, and maybe country's individual time also get reflected here, not only the universal time, right? And center daylight saving time as well as mentioned is there. Okay, milliseconds are optional, so that's why you cannot see in any format of date. If I show you, okay, see here, create date and time. Okay, this is 8:25, and these are optional here. These fields are not represented here. Okay, so if you want to put it date, you can put it millisecond. You see everything optional here. Only date, month, and time is here. All right. So this is how your date look like. Okay. Then